Let's create your first Amazon Warehousing and Distribution, or AWD, shipment. From the AWD program page, click Send to AWD. First, you'll add inventory to send by selecting from your available SKUs or choosing File Upload. Then, you'll choose your Ship From address and preferred Ship To region. A single shipment can contain up to 150 unique SKUs, but you can send multiple cartons for the same SKU. If you plan to ship single SKU pallets to the West Coast palletizable region, you need to use single SKU pallet labels on your pallets. Select the Single SKU Pallet template under Packing Details in Step 1, choose Inventory to send. Next, you'll choose either Amazon Partnered Carrier or Seller Managed Carrier as your shipping method. Regardless of the method, you'll then print the required Serialized Ship Container Code, or SSCC, box labels. Each label is unique for one box, and the labels must be placed flat and uncovered on the outside of each box to avoid delays or rejections. If you are sending pallets to AWD, you will continue on to Step 4 to print your pallet labels. Each pallet must have a pallet label, and every box on the pallet must still have the Serialized Ship Container Code, SSCC, label on it. 4 copies of each label will be generated for each pallet in your shipment. Place 1 copy of the label on each of the 4 sides of the pallet, in the center near the top, on the outside of the stretch wrap. Lastly, make sure to verify that your SKU details and box count in your shipment match the pallet and box label information. Now you're ready to ship your products to an AWD distribution center. After your shipment is on its way, you can track the status of your shipment by going to the program page and clicking Track Shipments. View the tracking history on the Amazon Distribution Center Shipments tab.